If I want to create any line, circle or any type of sketch, at the time it shows one number. I think you already noticed that. If I want to create a line, there is a number it shows. This means this is the length of the line. Or if I want to create the circle, this is the diameter of the circle it shows. This number is a rough idea that you can get. Suppose is 419 something. It will show this number based on my unit set. I set my unit to millimeter. You can see from here, this is the millimeter. That means for this thing, if I select this thing from the property manager, I can see this is 419 and something. This is a rough idea, because when you try to create a circle or any type of sketch, this is very important that you are making a shape which is really relevant to your dimension. After making this thing, this is a rough dimension, so this is not the actual dimension. How do you create that dimension? I will show you that thing in this tutorial. To create the dimension, there is a tool called Smart Dimension. You can get that tool, just press the S shortcut key. From here you can get the dimension here, that is called Smart Dimension, or in this command manager, in the sketch tab, you can get that Smart Dimension from here. It is called Smart Dimension because if you want to put the length or the circle diameter or anything, you do not need to mention what it will be angular dimension or any type of other dimension, or it will be length or any other thing. You don't need to mention anything. It will understand automatically. Suppose I will put the length of the line. I don't need to mention this. I have to put the length. If I select this line, it will show automatically that this is the line, and this is I am putting the length. If I try to put the dimension for this line, there is a small pop-up window, it will be opened. Here you can put the dimension here. You can put the exact dimension from here. If I put 150 millimeter, or if you want, you can use this up arrow or down arrow. If I press this up arrow, this will be changed by 1 millimeter. If I press the down arrow, it will be changed by 1 millimeter. If I want, there is a wheel. If I want to change with this wheel, it will be changed, but it will be changed by every 1 millimeter. So I put 150 millimeter, then press OK. By this way you can put the dimension. If I want to put the dimension for this circle, I just have to select the circle and put 100. So by this way you can easily put the dimension. Now if I want to put the dimension between this circle and the line, it will automatically show to you that I want the dimension between the center of the circle and this point of the line. So in this case you do not need to mention anything. That's why it's called Smart Dimension. For this line, if I want to put the dimension for this line, if I select this thing, if I want the true length, I can put the true length of the line from here, or if I move my cursor to the down, I can put the horizontal dimension, or I can put the vertical dimension. I can put the horizontal or vertical dimension by this way. So it will automatically be changed. I am not doing anything with the mouse. I am just moving my mouse. There is another interesting thing. If I want to put this true length, suppose I want to put this true length and I moved my mouse here, so this thing automatically changed. This alignment of the dimension already changed, but I don't want to change this alignment. If I want to keep the alignment in the true dimension, in this position, just press right click in your mouse and it will be locked. If I change this thing to anywhere, it will not be changed. It will be in this true dimension. That means this alignment of dimension will remain in the same position. So by this way you can put your dimension, and it's very easy and straightforward to use.